Hey, welcome back. Today we'll see how to crochet this super cute lotus bun stick. For this we'll need a 3 mm crochet hook and a steel bangle. Just make sure you're not using the plastic one because it might break. After this we'll need this wooden stick with a hole on this side and 4 acrylic yarns. Without any further ado, let's get started. For this we'll need this light green color acrylic yarn and we'll tie a knot. Now make 61 single crochet all around. I will weave in the extra yarn while making all these stitches so that we don't have to use the needle. This might be a little tricky, so I'm just pulling the yarn from the back side and 2 more stitches and then we will cut this off. Now cut this extra yarn from the back side. Our 61 stitches are done. Now make a slip stitch. Moving on to round 2, we'll cut the yarn and attach this light pink color yarn with this for round 2. For the first petal, firstly attach this yarn and make 1 chain like this. Now make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. After this, make 1 treble crochet in the third stitch. Add 1 chain and make a picot stitch here to give it a shape of a petal. Now make 1 treble crochet again in the same stitch. After this, make 1 double crochet in the next stitch and make a slip stitch in the same one like this. So our first petal is done. Moving on to second petal. Make 1 chain, 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Now make 1 treble crochet in the next, then chain 1, make a picot stitch here like this and another treble crochet in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in the next one and slip stitch in the same stitch. So in total we will be making 20 petals for the second round. Our 2 petals are done and you may follow along with the rest of the petals or you may skip this part and move to the third round. So now all the petals are done. Moving on to round 3, we'll change the yarn color to dark pink color. Now we have to make 4 chain here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now make a slip stitch. So the trick here is we leave the first petal and make a slip stitch in the middle of next petal, and then again make 1, 2, 3, 4 chain. Now leave this petal and make a slip stitch at the end of next petal. So this is the pattern that we have to follow for rest of the petals. Make 4 chains here and now make a slip stitch in the middle of next petal like this. If it is a bit confusing, I know, so you may follow along. I'm showing how to do it. So now again make a slip stitch at the end of next petal like this. In total we have to make 13 holes of this chain 4. So in round 3rd we'll be making 13 petals. We'll cut this light pink color yarn from the back side. It will look something like this from the back. So now our 12 holes are done. For the last one we'll make chain 4 and make a slip stitch at the end like this. Now chain 1, and for making the petal make 3 double crochet in the hole. 1 and 2, 3, chain 1, make a picot stitch here to give it a shape of a petal, and again 3 double crochet. At the end we'll make a slip stitch, and our first petal is done. You may follow the same pattern and make rest of the 12 petals. So now all the 13 petals are done. Moving on, we'll weave in all the ends from the back side. As I'm using the acrylic yarn, so I'll burn all the frizz. If you are using the cotton yarn, do not use a lighter. For making this petal, you may refer to the tulip hair tie tutorial, and at the end we'll attach this double petal over here. And tada, our lotus bun stick is ready to use. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.